The Theta digital money token is endeavoring to break out of its new exchanging range, having balanced out since the cost plunged in May alongside the remainder of the crypto markets. The symbolics cost has dropped by over 70% starting from the beginning of the year, yet is balanced out between $1.50 following the May crash. Is presently an opportunity to get into the market. Does Theta crypto have a future? In this video, we take a gander at how the Theta convention is creating and the most recent Theta coin cost expectation examination. Theta joins decentralized video real-time to NFTs. What is Theta? It began as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain following a coin offering, ICO, in 2017. Be that as it may, the Theta mainnet blockchain sent off in March 2019, and the ERC20 tokens were moved. Theta is intended to give decentralized video conveyance through shared networks. The model gives content makers great video transfers for minimal price, while watchers are compensated for sharing their organization transmission capacity for streaming. Theta Labs has fostered an environment with various tokens taking on various usefulness. Theta is an administration token that holders can stake to become validator or watchman hubs. Theta Fuel, tfuel, is utilized to deal with procedure on the blockchain like making installments to hubs and executing shrewd agreements. A third token, Theta Drop, TDROP, sent off on 1 February 2022, rewards movement on Theta's non-fungible NFT commercial center Theta Drop. The Theta project was established by Mitch Liu and Jie Long. Liu helped to establish US-based portable video promoting organization Tapjoy and versatile gaming startup GameView Studios. Long holds licenses connected with augmented reality, VR, live web-based and computer game moment replay advancements. Liu and Long likewise helped to establish Theta.tv, a live streaming stage that constructed the main decentralized application on Theta. Theta has a few high-profile financial backers, including the Sony Innovation Fund, Samsung Next, Beginning Phase Investment Reserve Sierra Ventures and Driving Ability Office Creative Artists Agency, CA. Guides to the undertaking incorporate Steve Chen, fellow benefactor of YouTube, and Justin Kansas, prime supporter of live video stage Twitch. Theta plans Q4 blockchain redesign. Over the long haul, Theta has moved its concentration from fostering the convention to speeding up the reception of blockchain innovation for video conveyance and integrating NFTs. Theta Labs is chipping away at a move up to Theta Mainnet 4.0 alongside the Theta Metachain Programming Improvement Unit, SDK, which is assessed to send off for testing on 1 October and open up to the world on 1 December. As a center focal point of Theta Mainnet 4.0, we present the Theta Metachain, an organization of interconnected subchains, a chain of chains as indicated by the venture's white paper. Every stage or Web3 business can have their own subchain that is profoundly customizable and really have their own uncongested bind organized to their requirements, however not at all like a private blockchain. It accompanies the straightforwardness, security, and validity of a public blockchain, the white paper says. On 9 May, Theta sent off its new NFT computerized privileges, the board, DRM, innovation, giving substance makers direct command over their own substance appropriation. Subsequent to sending off the TDROP token on 1 February, which depends on the idea of NFT liquidity mining, on 1 June, Theta Labs sent off TDROP on-chain administration dispatches on the Theta mainnet, which it said makes ready for decentralized administration of the Theta blockchain. This is the most vital phase in TDROP stakers straightforwardly administering how the TDROP token rewards and its different boundaries like liquidity mining, and will act as the testbed for on-chain administration for the Theta token and Theta convention itself. This means a lot to decentralizing the convention, as per the declaration. Theta token cost investigation. The Theta token has been in a drawn-out descending pattern since it arrived at its untouched high of $15.90 in the crypto rally of April 2021. It exchanged beneath 20 cents until 2020, when it dropped to an unsurpassed low of $0.03977 in March prior to energizing alongside the cryptographic money markets to reach $1.86 before the year's over. The cost took off in mid-2021, coming to $3.91 in late February, and afterward pulling back to $2.66 a couple of days after the fact before it soared to the unsurpassed high in April 2021. However, in the ensuing crypto auction into May, the value plunged to $3.98. The token climbed to $10.10 on 18 June, and afterward withdrew to $3.51 when the business sectors reached as far down as possible on 20 July. A convention over the late spring lifted the cost to $9.75 by early September. It tumbled to $4.66 toward the finish of September and skipped to $8.56 on 30 October, despite the fact that it didn't expand the additions into November as digital currencies revitalized to all-time highs. Theta exchanged down to $3.82 by mid-December and finished the year at $4.71. With digital money markets turning negative, the value dropped to $2.29 in late January and neglected to get through the $4 level when it turned higher in February. It momentarily exchanged above $4 in April, yet couldn't hold the additions. Disease from the breakdown of the Terra digital money tokens UST and Luna on 12 May pulled the value down to $1.03. The symbolic then settled and has been exchanging a moderately tight reach between $1.50. What is the Theta United States dollar estimate for the last part of the year? Will it break out of the reach to the potential gain or fall underneath $1? What is a reasonable Theta coin cost forecast? Theta coin cost forecast is presently an opportunity to trade. At the hour of compassing, 28 July, specialized examination showed 17 specialized investigation markers giving bullish signs contrasted and 13 negative. In any case, Theta crypto value expectation was negative, assessing that the cost could tumble to $1.18 by 2 August and $1.16 by 28 August. The Theta network value expectation was negative, as long as possible, with the calculation-based forecaster assessing that the token could tumble to $0.142 toward the finish of 2022. The cost could end 2023 at $0.173 and drop to $0.00991 toward the finish of 2025. Interestingly, Gage assessed the cost could rise in light of verifiable information.